This is Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today we're going to take a look here at a couple of AI trades. They're actually ETFs, AIQ and BOTZ. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. Okay, first of all, we have AIQ. Now, this is just a really nice basket here of all the good stuff that is AI. Okay, so this is what's in there. NVIDIA, Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, CRM, Adobe, Amazon, and Netflix. That makes up the bulk of what this ETF is, okay? So if you want to trade all those as a basket, this would be a good way to do it. Now, you have to be careful it doesn't do a huge amount of volume. So far, you've only done a little over 200,000 shares. However, as it gets more popular, I'm sure the volume is going to come in. Okay, so let's take a look here at the chart. All right, here we have your daily chart. So what we want to look here on a support level is you want to look at this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 27.83, and then we have your 21 sitting at 27.78. Now, again, if that's lost, then we're going to look here to this 26.92 level. Okay, that'll be coming right across here. That will basically be the bottom of this candle here. Okay, and then we have, that would be your gap, and then you have a fill here at 26.83. Okay, so your gap and your fill, that's if it sells off. Now, on the upside, what we want to look at here is today, so far, you got a nice green candle. The high is 28.05. Then what we can do is you just keep right on going here. You got 28.09. We have 28.16, and then we come up here. You got 28.27, and then you have a nice big your retest there of 28.76. Now, on your weekly chart here, you want to watch this key 8 SMA here. That's sitting at 27.39. But if you can get and close above that price channel at 28.76, okay, that would be the key. Then what we do, we just come right over here, okay? You got 29.34, you got 29.70 here, you got 31.15, and take the candles all the way up till you get a big retest here of 33.45. Now on the downside, watch that key 8 SMA here. That's going to be very, very critical. If it comes down, you could come all the way down to here, but I would definitely watch the gap and the fill if this happens to sell off. Okay, but again, this is a sweet basket of AI in case you don't want to play, you know, the single stocks like Amazon and NVIDIA and Meta and Tesla. This is a good basket, so if one or two implode, you're not going to feel the pain, as they say. Okay, now we're going to look at another one here, BOTZ, B-O-T-Z. Okay, here we have BOTZ, your weekly and your monthly chart. Now, this is pretty much the same kind of a chart pattern. So let's just look at what the downside is, okay? So what you want to do is watch the key 21 at 28.68. You want to watch that 8 SMA here, sitting at 28.49. Then we look to the bottom of that candle here, 28.08 you have 27.90, and then you have your big retest there at 27.64, and then your 27.36, that's your 50 SMA, okay? So that is your downside levels. Now, on the top here, you want to look to the top of this candle here at 28.95, okay? That's going to be your first resistance here. Then we come to the top of here, 29.28. We have 29.45. Your big retest up here is going to be your $30, okay? Now, here on your weekly chart here, you want to always watch that 8 SMA here, 28.40, and then we can come all the way down to where you have your 200 SMA sitting at 27.03, and then we have a 21 SMA below that sitting at 26.12. That would be your support levels. Now, on the upside, you got 30 flat, just like up here. Okay, now, again, if you can break above this 30 flat here, then we just follow all this. See, we have the resistance in this area here, and then you can actually take this all the way on up here, 39.99, if those stocks here get going here. Now, this is the same kind of thing as AIQ that we just did, but this one does a lot more volume here, so this would probably get easier to get in and out here. So, again, if you're willing, you want to trade the basket versus individual stocks, AIQ, BOTZ might be for you. All right, thanks for watching.